Hello and welcome. You're now looking at Dropbox.com, and we're here because it's a place where you can deliver files from if you're going to be delivering content to your customers inside of your membership. You can use other cloud-based sites like Google Drive, and you can use sites like Mediafire that are paid applications. In many cases, you can use a site like Amazon S3, which allows you to deliver files without worry of going over bandwidth limits. Every time that someone accesses your content, this access is placed against your bandwidth usage, and then you are charged by Amazon S3 for use of that bandwidth. And you can also purchase paid access to Google Drive by using Google Workspace, which gives you more access to be able to deliver your downloads and increases your bandwidth limits. Now, in most cases, what you're going to do is be given a link by the cloud-based service. You're going to get the link as we're showing you here in Dropbox. And this is the link that you will then hyperlink inside of your membership for any content that your customer is going to download. One of the things you'll be aware of inside of Dropbox in particular, you'll notice here that there is a DL equals 0. If you want the file to be downloaded directly, you're going to make this DL equals then the number 1. Now, regardless of your page protection, when the customer hovers over this link, you'll see down here at the bottom left that in general, their browser is going to show them exactly where that link is. It does make the link shareable, and in most cases, you won't worry about this, but it's possible that you may want to protect the location of that link to make it not shareable. And you will need to take additional steps in order to do that. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.